Right, switching the car on automatically. You don't do anything with the phone. You just, that's the ignition on, and the phone should automatically just pair in a minute. There we go. Usually it does that within 5-10 seconds as soon as you switch on, but I think just because it was my wife's, it was paired a minute ago, it takes a wee minute. And any new numbers that you've put into your phone, it'll automatically download onto your head unit as well without you actually doing anything.